Welcome to TechSpot Solutions, where we explore the world of Linux and its powerful command line tools. In today's video, we'll dive into the versatile cat command and its various use cases. So, let's get started. The cat command, short for concatenate, is a fundamental tool in Linux for reading, creating, and combining text files. It allows you to display the contents of one or more files, and even perform some basic text manipulation. Let's start with a simple example. Type cat, followed by the name of a file, and you'll see the contents of that file printed on the screen. As you can see, the cat command displays the content of the file directly in the terminal. It's a quick and easy way to view the contents of a file without opening an editor. Cat also allows you to concatenate multiple files together. Just provide the names of the files as arguments, and their contents will be combined and displayed. By simply listing the files one after another, the cat command merges their contents, giving you a consolidated view. But cat is not just about reading files. It can also create new files or append content to existing ones. Here, we use the greater than symbol after the cat command to create a new file named new file. We then entered some text directly into the terminal, followed by Ctrl+D to save the content. Now, what if we want to add more content to an existing file? Cat has got us covered. By using greater than instead of greater than, we can append the new content to the end of the existing file, preserving its original content. Another powerful aspect of cat is its ability to be used in command pipelines, where you can combine it with other commands. In this example, we're using cat to read a file, then piping its output to the grep command to filter for lines containing a specific keyword. Finally, we're sorting the results using the sort command. And there you have it, the cat command, a powerful tool for reading, creating, and combining text files in Linux. We hope you found this video informative and that it encourages you to explore more of the amazing capabilities of the Linux command line. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest Linux tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!